In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a 0.5 wide angle on Snapchat. First is to open your Snapchat application. It's pretty easy. You can click this button on here on the right side. This tap ultra wide button. You can see the two arrows. So it's automatically be on the ultra wide. And if you want to do that again, just tap it. Just click on it to be on, or tap again to be off. Now there's another option for you to have that wide angle effect. You can just go and move that effects on the left and click explore, and once you're in there, you'll be able to search here the word wide, and then Snapchat will give you options how to look or how to give a wide angle look on your pictures or on your video. So let's try to use this iOS wide angle. So as you can see, the camera, it looks like 0.5 effect on an iPhone camera. Now you can just tap to take a photo or hold to take a video. Now that's pretty easy. Once you're done, just click send button to send to the next person you want to send to. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.